Walking in water can be hard, but it doesn't have to be. I'm Brooke with WTI, and this Caddis Northern Guide wading shoes are the perfect addition to my adventures, whether you're fly fishing and wading or walking around in these freezing cold waters, but I'm now very comfortable and agile. I like that I can have good traction. The bottom has a fantastic sole with grippers that help me to walk in and out of water, even if it's a bit slippery. The water pulls out the inside, and I think that's really great for keeping the waders not being too heavy. So as I'm walking, it still feels very comfortable and light. I like that these are very durable. I've used them in salt water and I've cleaned them and they still look brand new. I also appreciate the stitching, the value of these shoes, and just how much use I can get out of them. The lace-ups are quick and easy. I appreciate the loopholes, and also the size fits true to size. It's a half a size bigger just to allow the stocking waders to fit through. These are awesome, but that's just my point of view.